Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix PayPal not sending verification code. So let's get started. First, you're going to clear your browser's cache, open your browser, click the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Here, you're going to go to settings, search for clear browsing data or cache. And once you're here, you're going to select cached images and files, set the time range to all time, and clear the cache. Once it is finished, reopen your browser and try signing into PayPal again. Next, you're going to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder if you're expecting the verification code by email. Sometimes these emails are filtered automatically instead of arriving in your inbox. If you're receiving the code by text message, avoid requesting multiple codes in a row. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes before tapping resend code, as SMS messages can sometimes be delayed. Also, make sure your phone has a stable signal and can receive text messages or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're verifying through email. If the code still doesn't arrive, confirm that the phone number or email address that is linked to your PayPal account is correct and up to date. After trying these steps, request a new verification code and check if the issue has been resolved.